In this episode of Bali to Flores, we booked a private snorkelling trip to the secret Gillies thinking it'd be smooth sailing. But between mystery payments, fish bribery, and me diving for my GoPro, things got interesting fast. Welcome to Gili Nanggu, where family adventures never go quite as planned. Good morning from Lombok. Okay, yesterday was a bit of a write-off. We kind of got going. We went through to Padang Bai, we got straight on the ferry and we came straight here. We didn't really record much of that because we've already done the whole of Bali. So if you want to watch that, hit the link that's up here, or I'll put it down in the description if you're watching on a mobile, and you'll be able to see the whole of Bali. This place is 5-star. We did not actually realise when we booked it last night. There is a little board that's got all the things that they've got on today, and there is a beach club across the street with our own private beach. We do have a full day of snorkeling today, but we've got a little bit of time to spare, so yeah, go do a little bit of exploring in our local immediate surrounds.
So last night when we were riding on the way to Sundancer, it was black. We couldn't see a thing. Now it's daylight and we're getting to actually see what we rode past, because all we could see was the road. And it's phenomenal. Like, we did not actually realise we were right next to the water like that.
We were met at the jetty, given some snorkel equipment, and off we went to the boat. We've just got to the first island. We have stopped off. Something that you should probably know is there is a man walking around with his little tickets. It is apparently 5,000 person for a cleaning fee. Let us know if you think we should have paid it or not, but we're paying it, so whatevs. It's 50 cents. As soon as you get in the water, you have to get past this reef. Be really careful not to scratch yourself on them. Once we got past that, all of a sudden, a bottle appeared. And although I wasn't sure how ethical it was a really good opportunity for some cool photos and to see the fish close up. Excuse the face. No one looks good after snorkeling, I reckon. So we've just done our first snorkel on Nanggu. When we book the tour through the hotel, they actually provide a lunch as well. So we're just digging into the snacks now. Jesse, show us the snacks. Fruit. We've got fruit salad there, and then there's like some sandwiches and brownies and cake, and it's all amazing. So yeah. So we'll have a little snack and then we'll head off to the next island.
Plenty of stuff to do on the island. There's little shops if you want to eat. Plenty of tourists though. Just expect it to be busy, but it wasn't too bad in the water. It wasn't too crowded. It was nice. So next one is Gili Sudak. And yeah, let's have a look, see what fish they've got there. There are toilets here. So let's have a look, see what it's like. Oh yeah, terrible. Oh, the smell.
Island number 2. We just went for a swim. Look, I'm going to be honest, it's not that great in the water, but on land it's actually so much better than the first island. Firstly, we had to pay a cleaning up tax, and there was rubbish everywhere, so we were a bit like, it's not actually. Whereas we got here to the second island, and we saw the restaurant owner cleaning up rubbish that wasn't necessarily his. Yeah, I just got a better vibe at the second island. Definitely utilise the snorkeling on the first island, and utilise the sand on the second.
Off to the last spot, a little island. This snorkel spot was better than the last, but being a little bit underwhelmed, I had the grand idea to take a photo for this video's thumbnail. Jessie passed me the GoPro. And I thought my bikini would be a great place to store it. I was wrong.
How about you stop? Good job!
With the GoPro retrieved, we called it a day and headed back to the hotel.
Alright, so we're sitting up in our balcony and all we can hear from across the road is people like yelling down a speaker. So I'm going to walk across the road and I'm going to go and see what it's all about. We did see a couple of bus loads of people rock up and get out. So yeah, getting closer. It's literally just across the road. Let's go and have a look, see what's going on. So you can see tour buses that have rolled up. So let's go. It's the ice cream man. We all know what's in that box. It's delicious. I'm all good, thank you. All right, here we go. Looks like some kind of team building exercise, so yeah, I don't want to disturb them, so I'll go over here and just sit down. Hello. Everyone's friendly and super smiley down here, so yeah, something a bit different. Capacity building. Like everyone's having a cracking old time. Don't want to linger too long, it looks a bit creepy. But yeah, what a great resort. I'm going to leave before things get awkward. The creepy Australian man. Alright, let's get out of here. But damn, I could go on ice cream, just got no money on me. I'm okay, thank you. I got no money.
So that was it for the snorkeling. We actually planned to do a 6-hour tour, but we got it done in 3.5 hours. That's the great thing about private ones. You can literally go your driver, all right, I'm done, let's go to the next place. So, and luckily, because it is now pouring down with rain and there is a thunderstorm happening, so we would have had to finish up anyway. We're all done on the coast of Lombok now. We're going to start heading a little bit more towards the eastern side, stopping in Kuta for the night tomorrow night. So we will see you then.
Really, mate? Like right now?
We will see you then. But for now, just wait until it goes past. We will see you then. But for now, keep rampaging around the world. Oh my God, again. All right. See you later before they toot again. Bye.